What's up, YouTube fam? Today we have some exciting news. Today we are lowering the OBS dually when we get home. Yes, finally. So stay tuned. We're gonna start tearing this into this today. Get the back done today. Do the front tomorrow. And let's see how it goes. This wheel gap. The wheel gap, unacceptable behavior. So we're gonna lower that. The front I'll probably do tomorrow, but we'll get the front done. We'll get the back done today. Yes. Alright, so we're currently in the process of getting the hanger out. Got one rivet out. We got 5 more to go on this side. Got the leaf spring out, shackles out, whatnot. We're gonna see if we can get this hanger out and get the new one in. Alright, so I got the hanger out. Got that deal out. I used the air hammer. Here she is. 6 rivets, go bite. That's the deal. And then I broke them with the chisel tip. Got those deals out. So I'm gonna put the new hanger in now on this side. See what happens. Alright, so this is the next morning. Got the back done late last night, so didn't record it. But new hangers are in, new shocks. New shackles. Yeah, I'll clean up the frame later, but it's on. Four inches in the back. So now today we're doing the front. Alright, so I got an update now. Got the front apart, radius arms, beams out. Alright, both sides. Walk over here. Got the other side out too. Got one problem. Can't get the bolts off from the radius arms to the I-beams. So I'm gonna run it over to my dad's shop real quick. See if maybe he can figure out, or maybe we can put them on the press or something, get them out. But it's apart. I'm gonna go ahead and do that, come back, clean this up, clean up the spindles and all the parts. Maybe paint up the frame, clean it up a little bit. See what happens. So, clean up the frame a little bit. A little bit of paint. Nothing too crazy. Both sides. Yeah. Little rattle can job there. Alright, so it's been a few days since we installed the lowering kit on the OBS dually. So we've been driving it for a few days. We have a little vibration coming. Obviously the pinion angle's off. So I'm gonna have to get some shims for the pinion angle, straighten that back out. But all in all, she rides pretty good. You know, so apparently we did a good job. Everything is tight. We do have one little issue with the sway bar in the front. On the driver's side, is touching the spring. So I've already grounded it down a little bit. The passenger side is fine. It's just the driver's side that still rubs a little bit. So I'm gonna grind it down some more, get some more clearance. Should be good. You know, once we do that, we do the pinion angle, we fix that. Should have a perfectly good running toe peg. Lowered toe peg. Towing low. 3.4 DJM kit. I have to make sure it sits pretty good, not too low, still perfect for towing. This is my toe peg, so. Well guys, that's it for this video. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, tell me what you like, what you don't like, what you want to see, what you don't want to see. Thanks for watching.